Hey friends, if you cannot find the app data folder on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type percentage app data percentage and hit enter. This will take you to the app data roaming folder and you'll have to step one way behind to reach the app data folder and another one way behind to be able to see the app data folder. Now here's one thing. When you click on view and show, hidden items should be checked. Let's say that it's unchecked. You will not see the app data folder. So you have to click on show and then on hidden items and then you will be able to check the app data folder. So if you are going through the route where you are, opening it through the C drive, then you will have to make sure that the hidden files are checked because app data is a hidden folder. Otherwise, you can try the percentage app data percentage route. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.